Hello, friends! Today, we're going to learn all the question words. These are special words we use to ask questions. Let's explore them one by one. Who? Who is used to ask about a person? For example, who is the birthday girl? What? What is used to ask about a thing? For example, what is in the box? Why? Why is used to ask for a reason. For example, why are you sad? When? When is used to ask about a time. For example, when is the picnic? Which is used to choose between options. For example, which ice cream do you want? Where? Where is used to ask about a place. For example, where is my ball? How? How is used to ask about the way or method. For example, how do you tie your shoes? Whose? Whose is used to ask about who something belongs to. For example, whose lunchbox is this? Now let's play a game. Can you guess the question word?
Who, why, whose.
Who is a person? What is a thing? When is the time? Where is the place? Why is the reason? Which is the choice? How is the way? And whose is whose voice?
Yay! You did an amazing job learning question words. Keep asking and keep exploring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning.